and bag? Yes, it's a handbag. Camp and fire? Yes, it's a campfire. Foot and print? Yes, it's a footprint. Book and mark? Yes, it's a bookmark. Home and work? Yes, it's homework. Star and fish? Yes, it's starfish. Pine and apple? Yes, it's a pineapple. Lady and bug? Yes, it's a ladybug. Mail and box? Yes, it's a mailbox. Straw and berry? Yes, it's a strawberry. Sun and glasses? Yes, it's sunglasses. Sun and set? Yes, it's sunset. Tea and pot? Yes, it's a teapot. Eye and lash? Yes, it's an eyelash. Scare and crow? Yes, it's a scarecrow.